We're slowly getting there. About 2 weeks ago, the head was on the table. So right now we just trying to button up everything. Catch can I just put in with a block off plate. Looking nice. I gotta figure out where I'm putting the catch can at. We are pressed for space in here. Don't worry about all this dirt and stuff. Everything's getting cleaned up. I just wanted to document the progress. Like I said, the head was on the table 2 weeks ago. I've been in here a couple of times just to kind of straighten stuff up, but we got the head on. Got everything routed. High pressure fuel pump, vacuum pump, all that good stuff. Brand new R8 coil packs. Obviously turbo inlet. It's got a DV plus diverter valve. Stage 2, like I said, with the catch can. It's gonna be a good build, so y'all stay tuned. On the other side. You can stop it.